Kia ora, ko Jeremy aka Tātere ahau, ko hau te rangatira o te whare.
No. No. Kia ora, ko Te Rina hau, ko au te mama o te whare.
Kia ora, ko te uaki aho. Kia ora, ko Mauru ahau.
A ko Cena tēnei. Morena. It is day 5 of lockdown, and here at the MacLeods, we are trying our best to adhere to Mama's schedule. We are up, washed, ready for breakfast, and hoping for a great day. Unfortunately, Mauru was a bit upset because he couldn't find his John Cena t-shirt, and he kind of threw all of his folded clothes ever in his room. So we decided the best way to deal with this is to get Mauru to help us fold the clothes and tidy up his room. Mauru, how koe mahi pēnei ai? Kia kaha mau, whātuia. Ka pai mau. Whātuia. Well, nau tēnei mahi, māua no e whakatika.
We're all clean.
Ne?
Yeah.
Ko oti.
Ko pai, Mauru, ko pai.
Nā kau e mahi anō ne mau. You sure?
Mauru likes folding the washing, Mum.
But you like folding all the washing, eh?
He pai kia koe te whātui kākahu? Yeah, oh well, hara mai.
Maru, guess what? You get to fold all of that. Yes. Who's going to do it?
Titiro ki tēnei maunga.
Nice, babe.
Pai.
Did you know that's Cena's spoon? Today we've decided to give homeschooling a go. Fingers crossed it all goes well.
Luaki, you ready for homeschooling?
Nope.
Both children have been given their activities for the day. There's one child. Let's go and find the other one. Mauru, kei hia koe. Why are you not doing your mahi? Cause why? We're going to leave our learning up to Papa Leon for the next 30 minutes. Ka pai Papa Leon.
Te wao nui, ka huri mai. Te kune, te whē, ko ngā kōnui anake. Te kore, ko ngā kōiti hoki. Te pō. Pepi mako, tu 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 tu. Pepi mako, tu tu tu. Pepi mako, tu tu tu. Pepi mako.
Erere, boys, erere te manu. Erere. Kona he manu koe, hara mai? Oi. Oh my gosh. Oi. Erere manu. Oh, te taumaho te manu me. Erere manu. Erere.